Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. High Court slams Goa police, hints at reviewing Rohit Monserrat bail. Countdown for IFE begins, Panji all set. 2 persons of Anjuna arrested red-handed with narcotics. And Seza Football Academy draws with Sporting Club de Goa and Mohan Bagan defeats Vasco Sports Club by 2-1. Now the news in detail. High Court today in a special hearing slammed Goa police for acquiring double standards in German minor rape case. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Swatantra Kumar, issued show cause notice to Goa police asking why the bail of Rohit Monserrat should not be cancelled. This direction of High Court can be viewed as important proceedings in the case as it demands review of all the happenings in the case from the day Goa police received withdrawal letter from the German lady.
It was a very crucial day for German rape case as Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Swatantra Kumar, had a special hearing on the case. Police had filed progress report yesterday in the High Court. Court today raised doubts about police investigation in the case. The hearing continued even after the lunch break and High Court wanted detailed clarification on its queries. Following were the questions raised. 1. Why only Rohit was arrested when complaint was filed even against Warren Alemão? 2. As SMSs were main source of evidence, why mobiles of the accused were not immediately seized? 3. Why police used different standards in this case, as in any other case, accused would have been arrested immediately after filing the complaint.
One of the directions is why investigation should not be handed over to CBI. We are supposed to show cause. Second is why notice is issued to accused number 1, that is Rohit, as to why his bail should not be cancelled. There are certain more directions to file further affidavits. And matter is now fixed on 10th of December. They have made certain observations that the investigation records do not disclose methodical investigation.
High Court has hinted at reviewing the bail given to Rohit Monserrat by Children's Court and following other points which High Court has highlighted in today's directions. 1. Show cause notice why the bail of Rohit Monserrat should not be cancelled. 2. Police to file affidavit on the involvement of Babush Monserrat and Warren Alemão in the rape case. 3. Police to ensure safety of victim and a family. 4. Further progress report to be submitted on 10th of December.
A day to go and the world will witness inauguration of India's biggest and most glamorous film festival, IFE 2008. The stage is set, lights are on, camera is rolling, and we are just a call away from the opening action.
You will visit the capital city and you will see everyone running around for the final preparations, which are less than 24 hours for inauguration. Most of the preparations are completed and everyone is waiting for the inauguration of the 39th IFE in Goa. There wouldn't be any trouble for Aam Aadmi in vehicular traffic and no compromise in working hours too. Strict parking rules will be set to all the delegates and to general public, said AF Monserrat.
The people coming for the IFE, especially delegates and the pass holders, should realize that they should park their vehicle in the respective parking areas which are allotted to them. And especially on the inaugural function, only the VIP pass holders will be allowed in the Kala Academy parking area. Rest of the delegates will have to park their vehicles at the DB mark, where there is a general parking.
In case of accidents, Monserrat told Prudent Media that their priority will be to clear the road for the free flow of traffic.
A crane will be mobile at all the times, and at the least amount of time, they will take the least amount of time for the crane to reach and clear the road. Otherwise, if it is possible, the vehicle will be pushed at the side using the personnel on duty itself. So there is no inconvenience for the local people and the travellers.
This time, IFE will move smoothly without any hindrance to public. Authorities have also ensured that delegates too will have better facilities than previous year. You can watch a curtain raiser special on IFE after this bulletin. Our reporter in Panji, Lokik Shilkar and Manoj